Hi there, welcome to Shahy's Easy English, and I'm your English teacher Shahy. Now today we will be looking at another lesson. Today's lesson is looking at the present simple. We use the present simple to describe everyday activities. Something that you do every day. You wake up, you get up, you have your breakfast. Okay, we will be looking at those. But before that, we will look at some vocabulary, some words to help you understand the whole picture. Okay, so let's start. Day, day. Night, night, when we go to sleep. Okay, so many times people use AM and PM. Okay, AM is morning, in the morning. PM is at night, but 12 a.m. is at night. Okay, it's midnight. Okay, so what are the meals called? In the morning, the meal is called breakfast. Okay, we have our breakfast in the morning. In the afternoon, okay, the afternoon. In the middle, okay, is lunch, lunch. We have our lunch, okay? And at night, before we sleep, okay, when the sun goes down, we have our dinner. The first example we have is Maria. She's going to tell us about her normal routine, what she usually does in her day. So take it away, Maria. Hi, Shahy. Thanks for having me. So my normal day, my normal routine is every day I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m. Okay, that's in the morning. And then I get out of my bed, I get up at 7:35. After that, I have a shower, okay, and get ready. That means I put on my clothes, clean clothes, and I get ready, okay? At 8 a.m., so at 8 o'clock, I have my breakfast. I have a mug of tea and a slice of toast. And then I start making the lunch. The lunch is the afternoon meal. In the afternoon, I have my lunch with my family. I tidy the house up, okay, cleaning. I sift the net. In the evening, I go for a walk in the park. We usually have our dinner, or we can call it supper, at 7:30 p.m. After that, I call my friend and we talk for an hour. One whole hour talking on the phone. I usually read for a while before I go to sleep. Okay? I get ready for bed. That means I change my clothes, brush my teeth, and get ready for bed. Okay, I get in my bed, go inside my bed, okay, at 11:45 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to go to sleep. See you. The second example is Adam. He is going to tell us what he normally does, okay? His daily routine.
Thank you, Shahy. So I'm Adam, everybody, and I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. What I normally do on a normal day. So let's start. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., 7 in the morning, and then I get out of bed. I get up at 7:15. After that, I have a quick shower, quickly have a shower, okay, and get ready for work. I don't have breakfast. I just have a big mug of coffee to wake me up. And then I leave the house at 8:15 a.m. and I drive to work. I finish work, get my work, and then I leave my workplace at 4 p.m. I do some shopping before going home. Okay, so I stop, do my shopping at the supermarket, and after that I go home. I get home for 5:30 p.m. That means when I go home, it's 5:30. So I freshen up, I change my clothes, and then I cook my supper, okay, or my dinner. I have my dinner at 8 p.m. or at 8 o'clock. And then I watch a movie at 9 o'clock, okay? After that, I get ready for bed. I change my clothes, brush my teeth, get ready for bed. I go to bed, which means I go inside my bed at 11:30. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Take care, my lovelies, and see you when I do.
Okay, so now we've come to the end of the video, and do leave a comment for me somewhere. I hope you enjoyed it, and I think you will find it useful. So share, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you didn't already, okay? You will learn lots of new things to help you with your everyday English. Okay, so take care. Check out the links below for my Instagram for your pronunciation and other videos that you will find helpful, okay? Last week we did phonics, so the sound of the letters, and previously we did greetings, how to greet people like a native speaker. So keep watching Esol Thursday, and it will help you learn English, because it's from a syllabus. This is what teachers are doing in class. And okay, so take care, stay safe, stay at home if you can, and bye for now.